Hey everybody, and good morning. Welcome to the first video from Alt Fuel Specialty. My name's Darwin. Glad you're taking the time to look at our website. First thing I'm going to walk you through is the original unpacking of the EWS kit. This is their Millennium kit. It's the computer-controlled LP gas conversion from Energy and Water Solutions. Their name is listed right down there at the bottom of your screen. This is their flagship kit for the V8 engine. Comes with dual regulators, as you can see. There's one. There's the other one right there. This whole box of parts, feedback controller, hoses, tubing, etc. Pretty much everything you need except an LP tank for your car, as well as the high pressure line that goes from the forklift tank or other LP onboard tank to the regulators. This kit was $825 shipped to the door here in Buford, Georgia. Basically what I'm going to go through on this video module is what you get. Please bear with me as we do our recording. So anyhow, starting on this side, you've got the white tube right over here is going to be your high pressure line. You've got some low pressure line. This would go from the output of your regulator to the your manifold or your air intake. Got a coil of heater hose right here to tap into your heater coil. What that's going to do is pull coolant from the heater core supply hose to the regulator right here. It will take that coolant from one regulator to the second regulator. Basically what that does is vaporize the propane. Propane boils at -40, and we need to have that propane vaporized to properly feed into your intake. Moving back, we've got a small changeover switch, which is right here under my finger. We've got some wiring that's going to go from your control box right here, from the changeover switch, and what that's going to do is actually switch your engine and your ECU back and forth from using gasoline and propane. Few other things, you've got your bags of parts and fittings. They claim that there's everything in here. We'll see as we go through the video. Right here you've got your stepper motor. Basically what that does is control fuel supply using the oxygen sensor. The last thing you've got here is this aluminum, what they call a mixer. I'm going to stop and critique this just a little bit because I feel it is important. Now this mixer here, what I want to show you all is this. Okay. This is a piece of aluminum pipe, alright, and what they've done here, there's a hole drilled, not very well. They need to have a little bit better craftsmanship on that. The other thing that I'm not wild about is if you look on the inside, this has been glued with Gorilla Glue, okay? This is an inexpensive piece. This is like something you could make in your garage with a drill press and a saw and a little bit of time. The other thing that I really don't like about this is that if you run your finger around, see that? There's aluminum shavings. Very, very bad for your engine. So we're going to have to clean this son of a gun out with brake cleaner really well before it goes anywhere near our air intake. So this is something, I want you all to stay tuned to the website. This is something that we will probably be attempting to improve upon. It's adjusted here, this faceplate. The bolt's a little tight right now, but as you can see, you can turn the faceplate and restrict or increase your airflow, just like that. Anyway, there's a fitting that goes in here, and this is actually where your propane feeds. This creates a Venturi effect inside, so air swirling, creating a vacuum, and pulling that propane out on the low pressure side of your regulators right here. So that's basically what's in the box. The only thing left for you to supply is going to be a tank. Let me roll around here. There's our shop truck all ready for surgery. And this is the tank that we're going to end up using. This is a forklift tank. This is your standard 33.5 pound LP cylinder. One thing I want to emphasize, this is a liquid draw tank, okay? So what that means is that it actually pulls liquid propane out of there. It's the same thing. This is a welder right here, a portable welder, a Lincoln Ranger 8, very common machine. Check out the other videos for more concerning that. So, but that's also a liquid draw on an air-cooled engine, which is a different lecture. But for right now, we're really just concentrating on the truck. So here we go, hood's up, we're at the shop, there's the lift, and then please follow along in these video modules, and we're going to make this baby run.